Okay, welcome back. So this is the first question. Evaluate 8 raised to power 1 all over 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 all over 3 divided by 10 raised to power 2 all over 3. Look at the first number. It's 8, right? What you need to do is first you must convert this 8 to index form. Are you getting it? Index form. Okay. So we have 8, and to change 8 to index form is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 3 times, right? So meaning 2 times 2 is what? Is 4. Then 4 times 2 is what? Is 8, isn't it? So for to change this to index form, it will now be 2. It will now be 2 raised to power 3. Are you getting it? Look at it. We have 1, 2, 3. Three numbers. You take one of them, then count 1, 2, 3. If it's 4, you put raised to power 4. If it's 5, you put raised to power 5. Are you getting it? So let's apply it here. So changing it to index form is what will give us 2 raised to power 3, right? So we have 1 all over 3 here. So let's put it bracket open 1 all over 3. We are done with this part. So multiply by, yeah, um 5 cannot be changed to index form, so we still write 5. Okay, 5 raised to power 2 all over 3. Then can we change 10 to index form? No, it's impossible. Okay, let's do it. 2 times 2 times 2, this 8, right? Times 2 is 16. So 10 cannot be changed to what? Index form. Seeing that 10 cannot be changed to index form, right? But we can still do something here. Think of two numbers that can multiply themselves to give you 10. It's not compulsory they must be the same numbers. No. Either like different two numbers that can be multiplied to give 10. It's not 5 times 2. Yes. 5 times 2 is what? Is 10. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, right? So raised to power 2 all over 3. So we have 3 multiplied by 1 all over 3, right? So we have equal to 2 raised to power 3 times 1 all over 3. Are you getting it? So this is the meaning. Are you getting it? If you open the bracket, here is multiplication times, okay? So it's the same thing here. So multiply by 5 raised to power 2 all over 3 all over. Now look at this part. This raised to power 2 all over 3 is affecting both the 5 and the 2. Are you getting it? This up number is affecting both the 5 and the 2. So meaning we can write it in this form. Okay, we can write it 5 raised to power 2 all over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 all over 3. Hope you are getting it. This number, this one is affecting all of them. Are you getting it? So see, it's affecting all of them. Then we can write it in this form. Are you getting it? 2 raised to power 5 raised to power 2 all over 3. At the same time, the middle is multiplication now. So you write it. Then 2 raised to power 2 all over 3. Now 3 times 1. Are you getting it? 3 times 1 is what? Is 3. Then 3 divided by 3 is what? Is 1. But you can just cancel it. It's still the same thing. 3 cancel 3. We are left with 1. And I said any number raised to power 1 will still give you that particular number. Isn't it? So we have 2 here. Hope you are getting it. Okay. Even if you do 3 times 1 is still 3, right? 3, then 3 divided by 3 will still give you 1. Or you can just decide to cancel because of time. So you have 2, okay, multiply by, this one is here. Now if I remove it now, most of you will be confused. Where the one now? Okay, I don't put time. Look at it. It's not the same thing. Okay, so we have 5 raised to power 2 all over 3 equal to, okay, then 5 raised to power what, 2 all over 3 multiply by 2 raised to power 2 all over 3. You know, this sign is sign of division, right? Like something is from 2 divided by 2. It's still the same thing, isn't it? Or you can write it 2 divided by 2. So take note of all these signs, it's still the same thing. Yeah, they didn't put this dot sign all because there is number at the downside, but they are still what, the same things. So please take note. Okay, so you can write it in this form 2 divided by 2 or 2 divided by 2. They are still the same thing. Okay, we have 2 raised to power 1 multiply by 5 raised to power 2 all over 3, right? I'm still writing the same thing. Then 5 raised to power 2 all over 3, right? This is 5. Then multiply by 2 raised to power 2 all over 3. From this particular place, our aim is to have equal base numbers. Are you getting it? Our aim is to have what, equal base numbers. So meaning that, look at it, 2 and 2, they have what, the same base numbers, right? Then 5 and 5 have the same base numbers. So meaning that we can bring this one here, then take this one to this particular point. So we now have equal to 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 all over 3 divided by 2 raised to power 2 all over 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 all over 3. From one of the laws of indices, the division law, it states that if the middle is division and we have the same base numbers, we take one of the base number then minus the up number, right? So since here we have two the same base number, which is 2 and 2, so now we'll take only equal to, take only one base number minus the up number, which is what, 1 minus 2 all over 3. Are you getting it now? We have two the same base numbers from the laws of indices, now from the laws from the previous video. So the same thing here, we have 5 and 5, the same base numbers, right? We take only one, then minus the up numbers, which is 2 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Now, when it comes to this point, many students will be confused. Let me write it down here. Here we have power what? 1 minus 2 all over 3, right? So for us to solve this one is the down number, right? The denominator. So what you need to do is use this down number to multiply this one. Are you getting it? So 3 times 1 is what? To give us 3. The middle is minus sign, so you put it. The up one is 2 all over. You now put this down number again. Are you getting it? So it will now be 3 minus 2 is what? 1 all over 3. We have equal to 2 raised to power 1 all over 3. Then multiply by, look at this place, we have 2 all over 3 minus 2 all over 3. Let's solve it separately, okay? So we have 2 all over 3 minus 2 all over 3. Now if you want to solve this type of question, first draw your division line. Are you getting it? You first of all find the LCM between the two down numbers. I get it. So LCM of 3 and 3 is still 3. I know most of you still don't know how to find LCM. Okay, let me break down everything. To find LCM, if it's two numbers, you draw this line, put the first number here, the second number here. Then you think of the smallest number that can divide both the two numbers. I get it. What number can 2 go? 2 cannot go, but 3 can go. So since 3 can go, write 3 here. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So what you need to do is focus on this particular line, focus on the numbers on this particular line. What do we have? We have only three, right? So this is the SL. If it's three numbers, you multiply them. If it's four numbers, you multiply these ones. Just focus on this one. Leave all these ones. Focus on these ones. I get me. So here we have only three. So the SM is three. So the SM is three, right? So once you are done finding the SCM, now we use the SCM to divide each of the denominators, then use that remaining answer to multiply each of the numerators. This is what I'm saying. This is the LCM, right? Let's start from this denominator. 3 divided by 3 is what? It will give us 1. Then 1 times 2 is what? 1 times 2 is 2. The middle is minus, so you put minus. Then 3 divided by 3 is what? Is 1. 1 times 2 will give us 2. So equal to that one. 2 minus 2 is what? Give us 0 all over 3, right? 0 divided by any number will still give us 0. Are you getting me? So this is the second answer. Let's put it here. So here we have 5 raised to power what? 0. We solve for these two terms. I get me. So this is what we have. Okay. Now here we have equal to 2 raised to power 1 all over 3 multiplied by, from one of the laws of indices, we said any number raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. So you put 1. So meaning that 2 raised to power 1 all over 3 times 1 will still give us 2 raised to power 1 all over 3, right? So equal to 2 raised to power 1 all over 3. Of the options, you might see your answer in this particular format. Are you getting it? You might see your answer in this particular format, but you can change this, because most options you might not see your answer in this format. They will change it. Are you getting? From the previous video, I think we've solved for this particular one before, right? One of the laws of indices, how you can convert this to the square root method. Let's convert it. So we have what? 2 raised to power 1 all over 3, right? So meaning we will draw our square root sign, then the denominator will be outside, right? 3. Then the whole number will be here. This one, you can put it, it's still the same thing. But this one is affecting only this one inside. So I said any number raised to power 1 to still give you that particular number. So no need of writing this one again. I get me. So the final answer is what? Cube root 2. You can leave your answer in this format or leave your answer in this format. All these two answers are correct. How you get me? So you can either leave your answer um in this format or leave it like this. Okay, so this is how to solve this type of question. I get me. I think I broke everything down for you to understand. I explain everything in detail for you to understand, right? So keep practicing, keep practicing. If you are somehow weak or not that good in maths, you have to at least first understand those laws. Is very important. You can see that when we are solving, I've been applying the laws of indices, right? So this is how you are applying um these laws. So those laws are very important. You have to understand it before you can solve complex questions. I get me. So please take note. So make sure you keep practicing every day. So the more you keep practicing, the more these things will be entering your head. So take note.